दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। In this appeal, the appellant New Delhi Municipal Council is assailing the order passed on review application by which the application filed by the appellant seeking direction to the Transport Authority to register the water tanker or trucks for essential services was rejected. In the pending appeal, an application is also filed by the appellant seeking that the Transport Department of GNCT of Delhi be directed to register 20 number of BS6 compliant diesel driven water tankers purchased by the appellant. The above appeals and applications seeking such direction for registration of the vehicles are filed in view of the restrictions stipulated in the petition. However, as and when the need for registration of vehicle arose, applications were filed before this court. Since applications seeking registration of three types of vehicles being used for essential public utility services were made, this court directed the Environment Pollution Control Authority to scrutinize the pending cases and submit a report to this court so that a common order could be passed. In view of such direction, the Environment Pollution Control Authority has filed its detailed report. In the said report, the Environment Pollution Control Authority has referred to the pending applications inter alia relating to the appellants herein, namely New Delhi Municipal Council and Delhi Cantonment Board. While taking note of the applications, the Environment Pollution Control Authority has referred to the details of the vehicles, fuel type, date of purchase, the details relating to the uploading in Vahan portal for temporary registration or reasons for not uploading, and as to whether or not the petrol variant of such vehicles was available at the time of purchase. Considering the above recommendations and on taking note of the fact that the water tankers are used for the public utility and essential services, the prayer made in the appeals are liable to be allowed. As noted above, the details of the purchase made by the applicants in these applications was not a part of the consideration made by the Environment Pollution Control Authority and as such is not contained in the report. However, the yardstick as applicable to all other cases will have to be made applicable herein. In that view, a perusal of the details would disclose that the two vehicles were purchased lately. This court had observed that insofar as CNG vehicles are concerned, there cannot be any valid objection for the registration of the vehicles as the emission from these vehicles is within the limits and had directed the vehicles to be registered. Hence, both these applications are liable to be allowed. To engage themselves in the said business, the applicant has purchased 3 goods trucks and have obtained temporary registration certificates. The applicant contends that the National Green Tribunal had directed conversion of buses, coaches and other vehicles plying at the airport to CNG fuel within 6 months from the date of order. This court, while modifying the said order of NGT had removed the words other vehicles. In so far as the vehicles purchased by the applicant, it is pointed out that since they are designed to carry highly inflammable product, CNG and petrol-fueled engines cannot be used as per the norms of government. The said hydrant dispensers are heavy-duty vehicles and are diesel-powered engines so that they can generate sufficient torque for the vehicles to supply required power for its multiple functions. It is also stated that the sophisticated and costly equipment are mounted on BS6 compliant vehicles. In that light, the applicant is seeking registration of the vehicles. Hence, an exception is required to be made. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। आशा है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से लिखा होगा। मेहनत लगातार आप करते रहिए, यही मैं आपसे हमेशा कहता हूँ। आपसे मुलाकात करता हूँ अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।